How to remove the add to cart button on Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you are looking to remove the add to cart button on your Shopify store, you can't do this directly by going into your online store and just clicking on customize, because if you remove the buy buttons, it would also remove the buy it now button. However, if you want to remove the add to cart button only, we have a simple way for you to do that. I am just going to show you guys how to edit the code. You can do this as a beginner, so don't worry, you don't have to learn to code or anything. We're just going to make some step-by-step edits. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is log on to your Shopify store. Once you are in your Shopify store, click on online store on the left panel over here. Once you click on online store, scroll down and click on these three dots on the right and then click on edit code. Now, once you open up your Shopify code, you will see on the left panel you have multiple different folders of code. So what you're going to do is you are just going to click on assets over here, and once you click on assets, you're going to find your base.css. So once you open up base.css, you want to go to the bottom of base.css. So at the last line of base.css, just put in some spaces, and then you're going to copy and paste this particular code. So just copy it as it is, and then you're going to paste it. I'll leave it in the description box down below. So we're just going to paste this over here and then click on save over here, and this will actually remove your add to cart button. So we're going to wait for this to be saved, and once this has been saved, let's take a look at our store if the button has been removed. Sometimes, it takes a couple of seconds for the actual code to be effective, but this is how you can remove your add to cart button. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.